Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable screenshots on your Telegram stories. By the end of this video, you'll know how to keep your stories more private and safe from unauthorized screen grabs, so only those you trust can view your moments without saving them. This is a simple yet powerful privacy feature, and I'll walk you through every step with clear examples and some tips along the way. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app. If you haven't used stories before, don't worry, it's actually really easy to start. You can begin creating a new story by either swiping down right on the chats list, or if you prefer, tapping your profile picture at the very top of the screen. It's sort of like opening a new canvas for what you want to share. Now, pick the photo or video you're planning to post. You can select something from your gallery or snap something directly using the camera. Maybe it's a quick selfie, a funny meme, or a short clip from your day. Remember, whatever you choose here is what viewers will see in your story, so take a moment to get it just right. Once you've selected your media, Telegram gives you plenty of options to personalize it. You might want to add some text, maybe a caption or a quick thought, or decorate your story with stickers or emojis to grab your friend's attention. You can even take advantage of the built-in editing tools for cropping or touching up your image. Go ahead and get creative. It's these little touches that make your story unique and memorable. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Next or the send arrow. That'll take you to the important publishing screen. Here, where you'll define who can actually view your story. Telegram lets you choose your audience, like sharing with just your contacts, specific groups, or making it public. But today we're focusing on privacy. Before you hit send, look carefully at this screen. There should be an option labeled Allow Screenshots. By default, this is switched on, which means anyone who can view your story can screenshot it without restriction. But if you want more control over who can actually save or share your content, you'll want to toggle this off. Go ahead and tap on that switch to disable screenshots. It might sound like a small step, but it makes a big difference. Now, when people see your story, they won't be able to easily capture or redistribute it. It's a handy way to keep your life updates a little more secure, whether you're sharing something sensitive, a personal milestone, or just prefer a bit more peace of mind. If you don't see the toggle right away, pause and check if you're on the latest version of Telegram, because occasionally new features like this require an app update. If so, grab that update and try again. Once you've turned off the screenshot option and set your audience, all that's left is to publish your story. Just hit send and you're done. From now on, viewers will only be able to look, not copy. That's great for protecting moments you care about, and it really puts you in charge of who gets to keep them. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about Telegram features, privacy, or stories, drop them down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want even more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.